She was simultaneously watching the blue sky above, out of the window, each and every aspect of nature. And at last the bus reached the town. There were very few passengers, handful of passengers inside the bus. And the conductor, he was a jolly person, quite cordial to Madam, that means Valli. And the conductor, he was asking Valli that she was not getting down. That is why he asked Valli, you are not getting down? You don't want to go to the shops and visit the shops, or you don't want to purchase anything? So Valli replied, no. But the conductor, he was a nice fellow, because Valli, she was just a mere child. Quite affectionately, the conductor offered Valli a bottle of cold drink, that okay, you come and I will give you the treat of cold drink. But that also Valli refused. It shows Valli's attitude. It shows that Valli, only to fulfill her desire, because it was an impulse which compelled Valli to board the bus or to visit the town. It was just an impulse which was working within Valli. So she refused the offer of the conductor, and she was sitting inside the bus. And Valli replied that by this same bus, that means this bus, I will return again to my village. Then the conductor, he kept quiet, he didn't say her anything. Once again, some passengers, they boarded the bus. Meanwhile, a sorrowful scene, Valli, she watched while she was passing through the meadows, grasslands, and through the highway. She saw a cow, young cow. It was running just in front of the bus. It was running. Desperately it was running. Young cow. And the bus driver, he was honking, but the cow was not hearing anything. And she was running. Valli noticed that while she was going. But when the bus started once again from the town, once again Valli, she was enjoying. It was the repetition of her enjoyment, the same thing, the same palm trees, the meadows, the grasslands, the mountains, the blue sky of spring. Once again she was enjoying. And with full concentration she was enjoying. Suddenly she noticed that cow, the same cow, it was lying dead on the roadside. After seeing this sight, or this tragedy or tragic scene, Valli, she was very much upset. She was filled with agony. She was filled with grief. After seeing that carcass on the roadside, Valli stopped looking outside. She was not liking to look outside or to enjoy all the sightseeing again, because Valli felt very sad, because when she was going to the town, she saw the same young cow. She was running in front of the bus, and only within short span of time it is dead, lying dead. So Valli, at last, she reached the village. She got down the bus and she straight moves towards her village and then moves towards her house. And Balli, at last, finally, she fulfilled her intense desire to explore the town. And today she has fulfilled her desire to explore the town. So guys, this is the story. And last thing, the poet has mentioned that she was totally unnoticed by the family members. Even her mother, she did not notice her. That how did Valli escape? Because it was noon. All the ladies, they were chatting, they were gossiping in the courtyard. They were so busy, they were so involved in gossiping amongst themselves that they didn't notice even Valli's mother. She did not notice her, that when she escaped and when she had gone to visit the town and when she returned. And Valli, she collected the information that after 1 hour the bus starts for town, and it took 45 minutes to reach the town, and once again 45 minutes to reach the village. So Valli calculated this time, that during this time whether her mother, she sleeps, she takes a nap, or she is so much involved in gossiping. So Valli, as an intelligent girl, only 8-year-old girl, she took the entire advantage of this span of time, and ultimately she fulfilled her desire to explore the town. So this story, it is a rational story. It is not a fairy tale, guys. It is not at all a fairy tale or a supernatural story. It is a story about a girl or her curiosity about a town, and the town is 6 miles away from the village. 6 miles, and it takes 45 minutes to reach. And after, the duration was after 1 hour the bus leaves for the town. This was the calculation of Valli, and the fare is 30 paise only, one side fare, and that is why Valli, she could collect 30 paise, only 30 paise. That means 30 plus 30, 60 paise, the bus fare. She could manage. She saved 60 paise, and that is why she had only 60 paise. So she could not purchase anything, any eatables, anything. Nothing she could purchase. Only she fulfilled her intense desire because it was an impulse. Valli was so much passionate to discover or to explore the town. She was very much desperate to explore the town, and that is why she calculated and managed the time when her mother, during that time, usually it is the noon time, you know the village routine, and she goes to sleep. And after that, her mother, she is busy with gossiping with the fellow women, ladies of the village in the courtyard. So Valli, she took the entire advantage, you can say, or she utilized this time